Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm standing in front of a Superformance with a 5-liter Coyote under the hood. 5-speed, beautiful car, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it in the air so you can see the bottom side. We're gonna pop the hood, take a look at that Coyote. We're gonna look at the interior, inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision on your Superformance investment. So come on up and let's fire Coyote up. So check this beauty out, man. The paint is gorgeous on the car. Now I see one tiny little stone chip there that maybe a dot of blue paint will take care of. All the chrome looks good, and man, look at those coolers down in there. This car is so cool. Look at those wheels. It's got the real knockoffs on it. Now this is a Superformance car. These cars are built over in South Africa. They put all the chassis, the body, they paint them. They're all ready for the drivetrain. And they picked a great drivetrain for this one. It's got the Coyote 5-liter under the hood. We're gonna take a close look at that here in a minute. Now look at this upholstery here. Oh, as a matter of fact, they've got the clear bra here to keep down the snow chips from the front tires. Now look at the carpeting in there, beautiful. The upholstery on the seats looks good. We've got just the lap belt on this car. Now the shoulder belts could be added if you want some shoulder belts. The dash looks good. The wood steering wheel looks great. We got a Roush 5-speed shifter in here. The roll bar's all polished up. Man, they got some meat on the back tires there. That's a lot of contact patch there. And inside the trunk here, beautiful in there. Now this car does come with a convertible top that's removable. If you check out our pictures on the website, go to vanguardmotorsales.com, you can check those out. And look down the side of it, straight as an arrow. And I love the fuel fill on these cars, so cool, that race style fuel fill. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not a consignment dealer. That means we spend the time to check the cars out before we buy them. I'm personally involved in picking out each and every one of these cars. We have an entire buy team that we look at hundreds of cars every month, and we only buy a handful of those cars. So let's take this baby out and drive it. All right, guys, we're in the Superformance Coyote now. We're not going for a drive today because it is nasty outside, but I can assure you, I was out driving this the other day. This Coyote Power is phenomenal, and this Superformance handles like it's on rails. Now, all the gauges we need, these are all installed in the factory at Superformance. All the switches will be labeled when it hits your driveway. Now, don't forget, we can help you finance this car. And if you need help with shipping, we can deliver this car to your driveway anywhere in the world. So call Tom at 248-974-9513. He can tell you how easy that process is. Now also, we're gonna put this baby up in the air so you can check out the underside. We're gonna do that here in a minute. If you wanna come look at the car, please hop on an airplane, jump in your car. We're here on Saturdays. We're only 20 minutes from the airport. We'll even come down to the airport and pick you up if you need a hand. So we're gonna take a look at the underside of it now. All right, we're underneath this Superformance now, and man, she's pretty under here too, nice and clean. It's got that independent rear suspension here. It's actually got a Dana in it. It's right around the 346 gear, and of course it is posi. The frame is beautiful. All the fiberglass still looks gorgeous. Nice and bright under here, just beautiful. We've got the 5-speed trans here, that's a Tremec. We got an SFI explosion-proof bell housing. It's got the slave cylinder here, so it's got a hydraulic clutch in it. Great big old oil pan on the bottom side of this Coyote motor. That's a Ford Motorsports Coyote too, guys. No donor motor here. Brand spanking new. Wheelwood disc brakes up front. Just beautiful, super clean under here. We got the oil cooler up front here, the beautiful aluminum radiator. Coilovers holding it up. We got tubular upper and lower control arms here, all the ductwork here for the cool air here, for the cabin as all the ductwork looks good and the inner wheelhouses are nice and clean. All the paint work here looks great. Now normally these things have a bunch of rash on them and this one is beautiful. Let's look at those wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got true knockoffs. They look great. The aluminum looks awesome. Those BFGs are in great shape, and it looks like we got 245, 60, 15s up front. Let's check the rear. All right, out back here we got a bunch of rubber. We're gonna put some horsepower to the road. Two 95, 50, 15s back here, and again, the aluminum looks great, and of course it's got the true knockoffs. Let's get under the hood and check out that Coyote. So check it out, guys. There she is, Coyote Power. This is a motorsports block. The casting number tells us that. It's got a cold air setup on it. Of course, you got a couple of electric fans on that aluminum radiator. It does have power brakes, and there's the reservoir for the slave cylinder for the hydraulic clutch. Just an amazing restoration in here. Putting this motor in this car, I tell you, Carol Shelby couldn't have done a better job putting a Coyote motor in this thing. Hey guys, call Tom today at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this Superformance Coyote in your driveway.